Breaking news, the DOJ of the United States declares that they're going to sue eBay. Now, what are they suing eBay for? They're suing eBay over the rolling coal devices that they put on diesel trucks. What these devices are, it can take a vehicle and it can make it so that it blows black smoke out any diesel vehicle. What that looks like is this right here. This guy's rolling coal. So, a while back, they put this in the news that, they cause a distraction and motorcycles accidents, bicycle accidents, things like that. Some are true cases, some are just someone's trying to cause trouble because they might know that neighbor owns that diesel truck and they want to just point the finger to him or something. The big thing is that the DOJ is going hand in hand with the EPA on this. Now, the EPA and the environmental protection groups, and we're just going to use the word groups because we know who we're talking about here, all have it in for the internal combustion motors. This is one step forward to take one chess piece off the market. Now, the lawsuit on eBay, that's going to be $2 billion. That's what they want. $2 billion lawsuit. I'll keep you guys updated on this as breaking news or anything I find come about. But this is a pretty serious matter because once they start taking away these little pieces, before you know it, you're just not going to have a viable vehicle anymore. But for now, that's all I got. And, hope everyone has a good day. Be safe and see you later.